primer bulb type quantum engine, which I don't like. I like the quantum engine, but I don't like the primer bulb kind. It is a GTS, see? Unless the GTS is also an SR4, I'm not sure. I think the SR4, this thing is kind of flared out more. 6 horsepower. If you take a look at this, I'm gonna try to straighten this out, put some self-adhesive on here, clean that up, and try to get the labels looking better, because this is the original Toro GTS label. Try to fix that too. I've got some of this 3M multi-purpose adhesive. I've cleaned the top of the cover of that mower so that it doesn't have the old adhesive on here. It's kind of bent that way because of all the years it's been dislodged.
Oh, you sprained your hand.
It's just adhesive, it's glue, no big deal. Let that get nice and tacky for a second. Yeah, see, it's staying in place. Clean the surfaces here. I'm not gonna go crazy. We just want it to stick, right? So that it at least kind of looks good. You can move it around. I've got a heat gun here too, which is gonna help make it more pliable. Got a squeegee here from one of my gun wraps. Vinyl wrap your gun.
Henry, you're going through a lot of trouble just for a sticker.
Yeah, but you want to see if you can get it done, you know? And it's looking really good now. Look at that. Oh, get the wrinkles out. The heat gun really helps out big time. It might have worked even without the adhesive, huh? Look at that. That looks stock, guys. Get the bubbles out. Oh boy. Looks like we might have just discovered something new. That works great. And then the heat helps dry the adhesive as well. Hey, I just learned something new myself. Sweet. Let's try the Toro one without even using adhesive. Let's try that. Okay, it works, but it still comes up, because nothing's sticking on it, see? Yeah, I'd have to try to peel the whole thing off because I don't want to get any adhesive on that. There you go. When you got sticky fingers, it sticks to your fingers. Why do you have sticky fingers, Henry? Don't tell anybody. This heat gun is too hot. It's burning the sticker, see? That's okay, as long as we get it straight and the adhesive is drying and the heat is helping that. How about that, huh, fellas? That was cool. I'm gonna use this technique next time. And this was just all trying it, you know? Because I just recently wrapped a gun. If you guys are interested in guns, go check out my gun channel at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns, where I wrapped my most recent project, which is a camouflage wrapped, vinyl wrap, my Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 22 long rifle AR platform plinker. Hey, look at that. That looks great, doesn't it? And this sticker's good. So that's an interesting project.
The UPS guy screwed this up. I'm gonna see
you guys next time on Mowers.